Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and today we are going to be working with our die again for some more dot drawing practice. For this activity, you'll need a whiteboard, a marker and an eraser. The more work we do with our dice dots, the easier it gets to see the numbers on a die without even counting. So, let's get learning! Okay, let's begin with the dice dot warm-up. You're going to see some dots for a very short time. Then when I do this, say the number that they show. Okay, let's go. 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 5, 2, 6, and last one, 4. Okay, we're all warmed up. Today I'd like to show you an activity that you could use to practice your dice dot drawing. You'll just need your own die, as well as your whiteboard and your marker when you're completing this. But while I'm here, let's just use mine. Okay, markers up everyone, and let's get drawing. To begin, we need to draw 8 squares on our board, 4 on the top row and then 4 on the bottom row. Make sure they're big enough to draw dice dots inside later. These will be our 8 rounds today. So top row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bottom row, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're finding this a bit tricky, don't worry. You can always clear your board and try again. You'll get better every time. Or maybe a grown-up could help you draw these. Okay, we've got our board set up. Now it's time for me to roll our die. And then you can tell me what number it shows. Here we go. What number is this? It's 5. That's right. Maybe you counted the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or maybe you even saw that it was 5 just by looking. Well, let's look carefully. We've got 1 dot in each corner and then 1 dot in the middle. So let's draw that in our first box. Let's go. So let's draw together 1 dot in each corner and then 1 dot in the middle. 5. Well, now that we've rolled the die and recorded the number, it's time to roll again. What number will be next? This time I've rolled the number 4. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you count the dots or did you see that it was 4 right away? Well, as we can see, there is 1 dot in each corner for the number 4. So what do we need to do? Let's record it on the second square. Draw it with me, everyone. 1 dot in each corner. 4. Okay, we've rolled, we've recorded. It's time to roll again. This time we have the number 3. That's right. It's in a diagonal line. Now, did you notice that we could show 3 this way, 1, 2, 3, or we could rotate it and it still shows 3, but this time the diagonal line's going the other way. I wonder how you are going to record the number 3 on your square. Let's get drawing. 3 dots in a diagonal. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's time for the 4th round. What will be the number this time? It's the number 2. 1, 2. Now, just like the 3, did you notice if I rotate the die, I could show 2 starting from this top corner and going down, or I could start the number 2 from this corner going diagonally down. You can choose either way to record that on the 4th square. Let's go. 2 dots. 1 in the top corner, 1 in the bottom corner. 2. Okay, 4 squares drawn, 4 squares to go. What will be next? It's the number 2 again. Fancy that, 2 times. Well, seeing as I already drew the number 2 this way, I think I'm going to draw it this way. Let's draw together. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, let's roll for the next round. What do you think the next number will be? Let's go. It's the number 1. I'm sure you didn't need to count that one. We just need to draw 1 dot in the middle. Let's draw it together, everyone. Find the middle and then draw a dot. 1. Okay, we've only got 2 rounds left, but there's still one number that hasn't come out. What number haven't we rolled yet? The number 6. I hope it comes out soon. Here goes. It's the number 3 again. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. Well, I've already drawn 3 this way, so I'm going to rotate my die and draw it this way. Let's draw together. Ready? 1 dot in the top corner, 1 dot in the middle, and 1 dot in the bottom corner. 3. Okay, we've rolled, we've recorded. Now it's time to roll one last time. It's the number 6. Can you see that? We finally rolled the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you notice if I rotate the number 6, it still shows 6, but this time we've got 3 dots at the top and 3 dots below. How will you draw your 6 on our final square? Let's go. I'm going to draw them this way. 3 dots at the top, 1, 2, 3, and 3 dots at the bottom, 4, 5, 6. Did you complete your 8 dot formations with me? Well, on the count of 3, I'd love for you to hold up your great work. Boards ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Well, now that you know how to complete this fun activity, it's your turn to have a go at rolling and recording dice dots. You could do this in a small group and take it in turns to roll the die each round, or you could even complete it by yourself. Enjoy rolling and recording dice dots, everyone. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.